We can see what's happening on the charts, and then we'll work our way into all the fundamental news as we normally do. So here's what I'm seeing for Bitcoin and Ethereum over here. Bitcoin, rallying back up towards the upside, towards the later half of last week. We came down here, we broke some of the downwards trend, and we moved back above the 20, back above this key trend line, and then even above the 50-day moving average as well. So now what we're seeing is, again, a break in this downward structure that we had from the highs to the lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And we started to see a break as we were coming into this flat level of resistance and seeing higher lows into a flat level of resistance. So we were breaking out of this like an ascending triangle, which is a candle chart formation, a very bullish one. And we kind of have seen this reversal back to the upside on Bitcoin. So this has been a really good sign. So what I'm looking for this week is what I call the slip, dip, and a rip, or even like a classic break, hook, and go. This is where we move up and we hook back down into the prior resistance levels, and then we continue to the upside. Some people like to call this the slip, dip, and a rip, where we broke out and then we slip, we dip, and then we continue into the rip. And that's kind of the way that I'm looking at this week for the crypto market, is I think with the FOMC meeting happening and the talk of interest rate cuts tomorrow being a high probability, I think we can get some choppy price action here. A little bit of volatility that could come in here. And I wouldn't be surprised if we have one of those slip, dips, and rips, where we have a sudden slip in price, we see it dip down, and then that acts as a buying opportunity off of the dip to probably propel us further. And it's kind of the way that I see this playing out.